This is a 2015 Chevy Tahoe LT, and it has the Texas edition and luxury package on it. If you go in the comment section, look for the all caps content, and that will be a good description of all the features on here. But I'll also go over a few. Got the 20-inch chrome rims, got the running boards, proximity entry on all four doors. Got the black leather power adjustable driver and passenger seat. Got the all-weather black floor mats. Full center console. It's a non-smoker. Second row captains. Got the mats here in the front as well, or the second row I mean. And then you have heated, let me open these. You got a 110 port, 12 volt port, climate control access, and heated seats for the captain. Got your third row. It does have a tow package on it. This is two-wheel drive, so rear wheel drive. Power liftgate. Got some storage in here. Got your power folding third row and the power release second. So for the third row, you can fold it down, up and down with the button. For the second, you have to manually lift it back up, but it will power release them. This does have wheel locks on it already, which is nice because these are the fancy 20s. Projector beam headlights. Front and rear parking sensors. Door opens really wide, which is nice getting in and out. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Child locks for the windows and doors. Power folding side mirrors. Driver memory seat. Bose audio. These are called Custom Fit is the brand. Power adjustable driver seat. A little bit of wear here on the bolster. 75,000 miles. Heated steering wheel. Collision alert. Bluetooth. Automatic headlights, trailer brake controller, power adjustable pedals, lane change alert, parking sensors, traction control. Got the rain sensing wipers, power adjustable steering column, backup camera. As far as safety goes, you have the safety alert seat, rear cross traffic, blind zone, and all the other ones I talked about. It does have built-in navigation, tri-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, push button start, two 12 volts, or one 12 volt, two USB, another 12 volt port there, two USB, auxiliary, and an SD card. OnStar with the auto dimming rearview mirror, built-in garage door opener, power lift gate, and then this is the content theft alarm system.